In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can adjust the volume of audios you add on your videos on YouTube Studio. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's very much simple and easy. So let's say I'm trying to add a copyright-free audio on my video, something like that, as a soundtrack, and I want to lower the volume of this audio. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Now let's choose this audio. So I tap on this, the plus, to choose this. So in order to lower the voice or the volume of this audio so your main voice can really be louder than it, what you need to do is just tap on this three dot here. You can see the mix level, just lower it like this, just lower it. When you bring it here, you are still going to see the sound, or you are still going to hear the sound more louder. Just lower it like this. You're good to go. So here you can just proceed to save it, and then your audio, after doing that, you're good to go. Your audio is going to be more louder than the music you added on your YouTube Studio. So that's it. If you're new here, try to give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, kindly let me know, and I'm going to do well to give you an answer. That's it. Peace.